Hello, a very good afternoon to everyone present here. I am Ringjoy Levond. I am 20 years old, presenting my beautiful district, Chandel. Currently, I am pursuing my Bachelor of Arts in Political Science. Singing is my greatest passion, and my dream is to be a TV anchor. For me, to be a part of this Miss Manipur beauty pageant is to let my women of Manipur know that we are a beautiful rainbow created uniquely with a purpose. And it's time to break off our shell and fly and soar high in the sky for the better chance of tomorrow. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is LAMJINGBA from I'm 21 years of age, currently pursuing my graduation at the College of Science and Physics Department. I do love listening to music, reading, and going off to get fresh space. Since I was a child, I have been aspiring to become a resilient and dignified woman who can stay as a goal in promoting the child and youth through educational and psychological discipline. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Sisi from Tamil District, Manipur. I am a graduate from University of Delhi and currently I am into acting line. My personality includes the taste of being passionate, compassionate, cheerful, kind and loving. I am interested in acting, writing, singing and traveling. I aspire to become a social worker because I love people and I will do anything possible for the uplifting and betterment of our society. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Manipuri from Tamil District. I am 26 years old. Currently I'm pursuing Bachelor of Education in Trinity College, Kurangai. My hobbies are reading books and decorating, and I aspire to become a teacher. And as a person, I believe that women are beautiful not just because of our beautiful faces and beautiful bodies, but we women are beautiful because of our inner qualities and capabilities and skills and talents. And today I am here to showcase my talent and voice my opinion to the people. Thank you so much.
I love to listen music and dance, movies, etc.
Hello everyone, this is Dolina Thongsong from Lamjingba. I'm in my 5th semester as a part of my graduation program from the College of Science. I love traveling and dancing with a personality that is great to rejuvenate oneself and to maintain a high spirit. And as a person, I firmly believe in hard work and success. Failure as they say are in fact steps bringing closer to our success. Fair and patient in oneself are the key. Thank you.
A very good afternoon, everyone present here tonight. Sorry, afternoon. I'm myself Sitalokram from Sinzamay, Tawanakan. I'm right now a student of District Institution of Education and Training in Falmouth State College. And I'm here tonight because I'm just sorry. I'm quite nervous.
It's okay.
Because this platform is one of the biggest platforms that voices matter a lot. And right now, I think it's high time for us to believe in unity and diversity. And I'm here to spread my voice, and I'm here to spread my positivity and to spread togetherness.
Hello everyone, very good afternoon to all, and I would like to extend my heartmost respect and regards to my respected judges and all my lovely audiences. I'm Sapam Jenika Devi from LAMJINGBA. I'm only 17 years old. Now I'm running in 11th standard, and in my leisure time, I would like to use my time in gardening and also want to read autobiographies of the successful persons but who have many failures in their life and also face many problems, because I believe in myself that failure is the most perfect weapons to get successful, and the problem that they face are the experience of life. Not everybody can get it, and my aim in life is to become a good and perfect woman, a very well-educated woman, because I want to uplift the status of women in a very high spot. And my only wealth that I can share to everyone in this world is my beautiful smile and humility. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Sarasam Yangamjin from LAMJINGBA. My age is 18, doing graduation under Jam University. In my leisure time, I love singing, dancing, and I hope to become a supermodel. Life is a very beautiful thing. We should keep enjoying ourselves.
and expose ourselves up to a level that we can recognize by people. And we should hunt what we are good, even more than what at our weakness, more than goodness. Thank you, that's all.
Hello everyone, I'm LAMJINGBA, privileged enough to be here. I'm from Manipur district, Manipur, and I'm proudly representing my beautiful tribe, Mara. The Mara community may be numerically small in size, but we're definitely arching hearts. And I'm currently pursuing my BA first year from Delhi University, and I would love to express myself through art. Since childhood, I've been interested in art and have a keen interest in painting, which became my hobby. And I also love watching inspirational videos from YouTubes and Instagrams and so on, because it gives me the ability to view things in life even more positively. And it gives me the ability to face every kind of challenges that life offers to me even more constructively. And since childhood, I've been wanting to become a person valuable to the society, which is why I intend to become a civil servant someday and serve the society genuinely. Good luck is the result of all the hard work you put in, once said by my mother, but it motivates me each and every second to grow myself into the best version of myself, as a result of which I'm being able to stand here as a strong, independent, and confident person. And I would love to be a part of Miss Manipur, and I hope to take back a bunch of memories with my lovely contestants. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. I myself, Monali Akojan from 6th Manipur, currently pursuing my graduation in St. Joseph College, Bangalore. I'm interested in singing and acting, and I like to become a teacher.
Hello everyone, I respected judges. My name is Hassan Nawar.
Tenhapuzok na Ramikai. I was in Girl College, BSc 5th semester Tamzari. And then I'm 21st years of age, and my hobbies are traveling, dancing, and dress modeling.
Good evening, jury members and everyone present here. I'm Aditi Zaki from Chingmeirong. I'm in my final year of LLB, studying in LMS Law College in Manipur. And I believe to achieve something in life, we need a little enthusiasm and courage. And in my spare time, I love reading novels and listening to music. Thank you.
Good afternoon, jurors, respected jurors, and all present here. I myself, Mimole from Sintamay Catholic. I'm 17 years of age. Now I'm studying in Manipur School at the center of girls. My hobbies are singing, dancing, and traveling.
Good afternoon, dear respected judges and each and everyone present here. I am Mirabai Khadam from Hobale Santiam. Currently, I am pursuing my Bachelor of Science and Anthropology Honours at Bangomani Girls College, Soba. And in the future, I want to become a professional as I can happily transfer my knowledge and ideas. And I'm very much fond of singing, listening to music and cooking. And I'm a girl who always tries to go on in life and never give up. And sometimes I have weaknesses and mistakes and experience sadness, but I will try to learn from these things to make me a better person. Thank you.
I am Ikan Pamela, representing my beautiful tribe that is Manipur from the Manipur district. I did my master in sociology from Manipur University and currently pursuing human rights and duties education in Manipur University. I am a girl who loves to interact with people and explore new things. Apart from that, I love to play sports and also I love to dance. I like to leave one of my favorite quotes, that is, you're not fully dressed unless you wear a smile on your face. Thank you. Ahal mapamasidad hindi ba kalabo pero ko rin ang mga universidad na hazri hakin alam mo na nonsen alam ka po mga lekay dili hazi na GP college graduation tawzari amadi isang pa jawi sawa sa kinati pangzay tawzari.
Hello, good evening judges. My name is A.R. Mating. I am 24 years young. I have finished my master's this year and I love writing, playing ukulele and working on reading sometimes as well.
A very good evening, everyone, and of course, my honorable student member. I myself, Martin Walching from First ML, a 19 years of age who loves traveling and singing, currently pursuing BA First Master at Manipur College, and I would like to mention that I'm here today because someone believes in me, and that is how I came to believe in myself to achieve my dream, and I aspire to give inspiration to others and uplift the thoughts of mankind, even if it is just a few persons. Thank you so much.
A very good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sarina Nauran from Kawan tribe. I've completed master degree from Tripura University in the field of physical education and sports science. I love
traveling, dancing, modeling, and playing football. And I aspire to be an army officer. And I stand here today to break all the stereotypical mindset of our society with the belief that only soft and gentle women do their part in beauty basin. Thank you so much.